Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 15-minute full body low impact workout. You don't need any equipment, so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start with a reverse lunge with the right leg going back, pulsing twice, and then lifting that right knee up towards the chest, really stabilizing in that front leg. Here we go. Rest, and we will head into side two. So this time your left foot's gonna slide back, pulse twice, and then drive that left knee up towards the chest, squeezing through our core at the top, working the tops of those thighs and stabilizing in that front leg. Let's go. Beautiful work. Let's head into some sumo squats. So walk your feet wider than your hips, turn your toes out slightly. You're gonna squeeze those elbows in as you lower into the sumo squat. And then as you press up and overhead, reach those arms nice and high, working our glutes and the shoulders. Here we go. All right, next up we're gonna take a lateral lunge over to the right, and then we're gonna press into that supporting leg and lift that right knee up. Really hinge your hips back as you find that lunge, and then stack everything up at the top as you lift that right knee. Here we go. Rest, and we'll head into side two of that lateral lunge. So this time your left foot lunges out nice and wide, hips go back, and then we press into the right leg to lift that knee up at the top, really engaging through the core and pressing into the left glute. And breathe. We are gonna head into some alternating curtsy lunges. So sliding that left knee back, come back through center, and then the right knee back, come back through center. Trying to keep your chest lifted, your shoulders over your hips, and sinking as low as you can. Right, find a finish and bring your feet just right under your hips. You're gonna sink low. Your right foot's gonna go out, in, overhead reach, center, left foot out, in, overhead reach, and center. You can take this at your own pace. If you move a little bit faster, it's gonna help elevate your heart rate while also burning out the booty. Here we go. All right, we're gonna head down to the ground and meet me in a plank with your feet wider than your hips. Right arm is gonna reach back towards the left ankle. You lower back down, and then again, you pike those hips up as the left arm reaches towards the right ankle. Alternating sides, here we go. Take your rest. All right, you guys, next up, we are gonna come on all fours, extend our left leg straight behind us, square the hips down, you're gonna tap that toe, lift the leg, and then take a tricep push-up down, and then press back up, all while keeping that leg locked into position. So you're working the glute, you're working the tricep, you're working the core. Let's go. Take a rest and roll out your wrists. We're gonna head into side two. So meet me back on all fours. This time your right leg is extending straight back, square your hips, abs are tight. We tap the toe, we lift, we take that tricep push up and press it right back up. Make sure you maintain your core throughout this entire exercise, and let's go. and rest. Flip on over onto your back. We're heading into some core and ab work. So feet are going to be flat on the mat, hands behind your head. You're going to take a twist towards your left knee and then a full extension towards the left leg. So you're focusing just on that left leg lifting for this first set. Bent knee and then extended leg. Here we go. Rest, and we will head into side two. So this time you're focusing on the right leg, doing that knee to elbow connection and then that full extension, arm reaching for the toe, working those obliques. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, begin. All right, you guys, we're going to keep the work in the obliques. This time we're just taking our bicycle twist, opposite elbow to opposite knee, keeping our shoulders up and off of the mat, elbows nice and wide, and taking this at your own tempo today. Here we go. And breathe. Nice job, you guys. Heading into some glute bridges. So you are going to take your feet wider than your hips, turn your toes out slightly, and we're just going to focus on squeezing the glutes to lift the hips up and then tapping those hips back to the mat. Here we go. Take your rest and meet me back in your plank for our final exercise for today's workout. We are heading into our mountain climbers. So you're pulling those knees in towards the chest, keeping your hips nice and still, activating our core, getting our heart rate up. Finish with a bang. Here we go. All right, you guys, pike those hips up, shake it all out, and give yourself the biggest round of applause. You completed today's full body workout. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in those comments, and we will see you back next time.